Hey, good day, everybody. This is Dennis Wilborn, founder of Active Trend Trading. I want to welcome you to our first installment of training sessions where we're going to be talking about our 5 pillars of active trend trading. And so it's about how to build a profitable system. And let's go into pillar number 1 right now, which is how to find the best stocks to trade. That's one of the major questions that I get asked often is how do, if I only knew what stocks to buy, I could do this. I really know I could do this. And that may or may not be true. I mean, there are a couple of things that are needed in addition to that. But definitely having the confidence that you're buying into where the best stocks are is certainly something that will help you, one, build a system where you know what you're going to trade. So basically that's what the 5 pillars of active trend trading or any trading plan has. What to trade, when to enter, when to exit, what strategy you're going to use, and what to expect. And I'm going to be covering those because they are the pillars that build on top of the foundation of study, knowledge, and experience. So let's rock and roll into the first section. 1 is what to trade. You got to fish where the big fish swim. Now, what the heck does that mean? Basically is, 1, you got to know where the fish are. And so this is a great picture of my sister-in-law, Melanie, and her 2 daughters. They went up to Alaska for their first time, and this is the first fishing trip they ever took. And they catch a 250-pound halibut. That is one of the biggest fish that was taken out of this particular area of the where they basically the fishing banks are for the year. So with Melanie said they had never fished before, and a lot of that is like look at it. Fishing's a lot like investing. You get a few 5 to 15% returns. You get a couple of 20, 25% returns. And then once in a while, you get a big one, what we call a home run investment, 100% return, 250 pounds. I mean, that halibut is bigger than all of them. Took these 2 young ladies, I think it took them like 4 or 5 hours to actually land that puppy. And so, but like investing, when you go fishing, there's no guarantees. However, you can do a lot of things to increase the probability that you're going to find big fish. And one of those is to make sure you have an awesome guide who knows where the big fish swim. Because, you can go to the lake, or you can go to the cove, or you can go to the, I'm thinking about a bay, in the ocean. And in the ocean, in that lake, there are big fish because you get reports of seeing them get caught caught all the time. However, if I just go to the lake and go out on the dock and throw my line out into the water haphazardly, just, is there a probability that I'm going to catch a big fish? Yes. However, the probability is so small, I could go again and again and again and again, day after day after day after day for years and never catch the big fish. So part of the thing in identifying, why you need a guide is basically you got to know what lake to fish on too. You have to know what side of the lake to fish on, what time of day is the best time to fish, what cove on the lake. And then you can get down into the nitty gritty of not only what cove, but where in the cove, how deep. What are there any hidden ledges? And so basically the guide helps you what? Find the fish, bait your hook, and helps you land the big fish. And so that's exactly what we do with active trend trading, or you can teach yourself how to do that. Is we find the stocks with the biggest probability of giving major moves in a short period of time. We tell you exactly what we're going to be, what bait we're going to be using, how to get in and how to get out. And we'll also help you land it because we help you provide you with that strategic plan. So, if this interests you, there will be a link down in the description telling you exactly how to get hooked up with active trend trading. So What to trade? That's a question that I get all the time from people who have not started trading yet. They say, "Well, Dennis, I'd really like to get involved, but I don't know what to trade." I get it. I understand. That is, kind of like, partly a fearful thing because everybody can learn how to do this. It's fairly straightforward about how to learn what to trade. So you want to exactly, exactly how to find the trophy stocks, which are the strongest and best stocks to be trading. That's where the big fish swim. Secondly, the threshold. I want to know, the threshold of the stock must meet in order to earn my attention. That's why when you're fishing, they have limits on the size. And so if you catch a fish that's too small, you have to throw it back because if you're caught with it, they'll fine you. Fine you. So that's why you want to basically be measuring your fish, but at the same time, same thing with a stock. You want the return on the stock to earn your attention. It has to basically do that. Then the secret to streamline your research time, which is basically not to have too many stocks on your watch list. And you want to basically avoid what I call watch list overload. Reminds me of a real quick story of this psychologist who's in one of our trading groups, and she came to me and she says, "Dennis," she goes, "I keep missing trades." And so I asked her, I said, "Well, Karen, what are you doing? What do you mean you're missing trades?" And she goes, "Well, I'm watching all these stocks, and I'm watching stocks over here, and this stock over here will bounce." And I said, "Well, how many stocks are you watching?" She says, "Well, I'm watching about 75 to 100. And I said, "Well, dadgummit, that's too many, man." So I said, "Let's streamline your process. Let's get you down to about 10 or 15 stocks." And she just froze dead in the water. She said, "No, I can't do that." Now, this is a psychologist. This is a person trained in the mental aspect of life. She goes, "I'm afraid I'll miss something if I reduce the amount." And I go, "Well, dadgummit, you're missing things now because your watch list is too big. So, how is that going to be different?" But did you know that her fear of missing out basically kept her from streamlining her list? And I don't think she's trading anymore. She was basically unable to make that adjustment. And like so many other traders, she washed out. She went, to use a fish analogy, she went belly up like a fish in an aquarium. Fear is one of the biggest things to get over when you're learning how to trade and also learning how to select a stock. What does fear do to us? Basically, fear causes us to make irrational decisions and hold irrational beliefs. So I'll just leave that. This is not a session about psychology, but it's just something to be thinking about. So the criteria for trophy stocks is, what kind of stocks am I looking for? I'm looking for strong growth stocks with strong fundamentals that tend to outperform the rest of the market. They tend to move up faster and hold up better, both in strong and weak market environments. Where do I go to find that? I like Investor Business Daily. They they do their own research and have their fundamental analysis that they do on it. And so I know that if a stock is presented on one of the Investor Business Daily watch list, I know it has passed their criteria. What do they start with? They start with over 6,000 stocks. And then they reduce that down to about 500 stocks that show up on 13 different premium watch lists every week. So I hire Investor Business Daily to do my fundamental analysis. That way it frees me up to do what? To do what I do best, which is technical analysis, because it's my technical analysis that allows me to funnel the big fish into the smaller ponds. It makes them easier to catch. And plus, I know what I'm fishing for. So that's something to keep in mind. You may or may not want to do your own fundamental analysis and develop and find the best stocks that way. And so that's one of the things that we do for our members is we do offer them an opportunity to join us, because guess what? I sort through all and I work with all 500 stocks to find the absolute best every week. But a little bit more about that here shortly. So you can do-it-yourself searches. Develop your own search criteria. Basically, there are various searchable databases, Investor Business Daily with the 13 premiums, and there's a list of all the other areas where you can find, do your own searches for stocks. You can even set up search criteria in Thinkorswim or whatever trading platform you use that will isolate and tell you where the best stocks are. But you know what I find when I've done those kind of searches before? And what's interesting is it always tends to come back to, one, stocks that show up on the Investor Business Daily watch list. So I'm sitting there going, why do it, right? So I want to find a reliable source, but I do want to do that. And again, you can do it yourself and do a daily, weekly, monthly sorts to find your own stocks, or you can let somebody do it for you. And that's one of the things that we do for our members at activetrendtrading.com. So what are the criteria? I want to make sure that the stocks pass the IBD stock checkup with a composite score of over 80 and a EPS of greater than 85. What does that do for me? One, it tells me that the stock I'll be looking at, if it's on the list, are in the top 20 percentile of all stocks that are out there. Now, there are some times where I have exceptions to the case, on a case-by-case basis. There may be a stock that was like Tesla back about 2 or 3 years ago before it became, the strong stock that it is today. It had beautiful technical patterns, but its fundamentals were absolutely crappy. So I made an exception. I said I will trade Tesla because it has everything else going for it. And so we did it, and we made some nice money on Tesla. 2, stock and index ETFs that need to be priced above $10 and with a daily volume greater than 500,000 shares. And again, that's an exception on a case-by-case basis. I try not to violate that because the fact of the matter is if you have a stock that's below $10, it's below $10 for a reason. So if you're out there trying to trade penny stocks on customers, that's a really fast and quick way to do one thing: go broke. So if you'll learn some discipline about how to find the best stocks that are over $10, that will it will help improve and increase the probability of finding good growth stocks. And lastly, I would like my stocks and index ETFs to have weekly options. Is that a must? No, but it is a desirable for me. And I want the stocks and ETFs, index ETFs that I'm watching to do what? Show observable price patterns, because it's the observable technical price patterns that we basically build our trades off of. Because if it's not moving, you're not going to gain the profit from that particular stock. So how do you find the trophy stocks? And we've already identified in a lot. You got to go to the lake where the big fish swim. So there's thousands of stocks out there. So I've shown you exactly where you can go to find the lake. I would say the lake is either Investor Business Daily or you develop your own search. That's your lake. So, but then you got to say, well, we're on the lake. And this is where you start dividing and pulling down things to identify, okay, here is the area on the big lake. For me, personally, it's 13 premium watch lists by Investor Business Daily. But then I have to ask myself, well, that's one thing, but what about which cove am I going to fish in? Because I don't want to be fishing in the wrong cove where the big fish are not located. So how do I do that? That's where I start applying some of my own proprietary analysis to come up with my Active Trend Trading Power Rank Elite Watch List, which comes out every week, 15 to 20 stocks on it that typically have that have shown very, very well and the potential of having a good run in the near future. And then what about where in the cove? Well, where in the cove, basically what I work with that is I take this 15 or 20 and then I do some additional analysis on them, and I come up with what I call my top 5 AutoPilot trade setups per week This is one of our premium memberships. You can get the 15 to 20 stock free membership of active trend trading. You get it on a weekly basis. You get invited to our weekly How to Make Money Trading Stocks webinar that we do every Friday, 2 hours before the market closes, and we put up the recordings on both our YouTube channel and our webpage. But here's where, for about 20 bucks a month, I give you 5 stocks every week, not the same 5 stocks, that are providing setups. But I also include in that pre-flight checklist is where I'm going to buy it, where I'm going to get out of it for a profit, where I'll get out of it for a stop loss to protect myself. And oftentimes I provide 2 or more profit targets so you can actually hang on to the stock and ride it until it hits its upper limits. And then lastly, if you really want to, jump into where, the big fish are, I have my private premium list, which I provide to my premium active trend trading members. It's a select index and sector ETFs along with selected stock. So that basically, I think, in summary, let's talk about that. You got to know, find where the trophy stocks hang out. You can either do that yourself or you get somebody to help you do it. 1, develop a list. Which side of the lake? 1, refine the list. Which cove and where in the cove are you going to be fishing? And then last but not least, have a strategic plan on when and where you'll fish, which is absolutely critical, which leads us to, this completes pillar 1, but that leads us to 1, just let you know that what I do is for training purposes only. Traders should always paper trade any new method, prior to the risk of their own personal capital. And so this concludes pillar 1, but the next training session, I'm going to be talking about pillar 2, is when and where to enter. And what I'll be doing with that is, 1, as I will be basically showing you how to use repeatable price patterns for consistent profits. Secondly, how to look for convergence of clues with their price indicators. And then last but not least, secrets of to only buy stocks at wholesale prices rather than retail. So many beginning traders, they jump on, they get so excited. And again, what happens when emotions kick in? When emotions kick in, our intelligence drops. And then fear kicks in, and then it goes totally sideways. Always focus on, I want to buy at wholesale and sell at retail, and you will basically do very well. And so just remember, active trend trading does an outstanding job of, 1, guiding traders to trophy stocks every week. I'll provide a couple of links down in the description that show you exactly where you can get in touch with us to get your free Power Rank Elite Watchlist weekly, or if you want to up your game just a little bit where you're getting my actual triggers, jump up to the top 5 AutoPilot trades. It's again, so far this year it's up about 45%. This is September when I'm recording this, so we're doing exceptional on that particular trades. And then if you really want to go, if you are advanced enough, and I kind of restrict my membership with my premium members because I want people who are a little bit more advanced, but you can anticipate hopefully greater gains in this area. And we're up about 52% on the premium membership so far on the gains there. Now, it's not a promise that that's going to happen all the time, but our premium membership trades that we've done going back to 2007 when we first generated, they've averaged over 32% per year. So again, what has happened in the past is not a guarantee it's going to happen in the future, but we know we will be where the big fish swim. So until next time, I just want to say one thing. Aloha and God bless everybody. See ya.